One of the easiest but profitable way to earn real money online is by reviewing websites and application on YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process and the tools which you actually need to actually start reviewing website and application on YouTube. Just like Sparking Media, popularly known as Legit Posts, you can see that this guy actually usually review website and application on his channel, and he has been earning a lot of money by reviewing those websites and application. And apart from YouTube monetization, you can also earn through affiliate by including your affiliate link in those videos and be able to earn. And the good news is that with just 0 subscribers, you can start earning from day one with this particular method which I'm about to share with you right now. The good thing about website and app review on YouTube is that you don't need any expensive gadget to actually get started. With just your mobile phone and small mic, you can actually get started without even showing your face. You don't even need any expensive camera to actually get started. All you just need to do to get started is you actually need about 3 tools on your phone to actually get started. The first tool which you actually need is this particular tool known as assistive touch. Once you get assistive touch, the second tool which you will need to actually get started is actually screen recorder. Okay, you can see, go on right now and download any screen recorder of your choice with external screen recorder. Do not use your phone screen recorder. Okay, after that, the next thing you will need again is CapCut or InShot, but I prefer making use of CapCut. You can actually use the free version to actually get started when you are starting, and when you actually start earning real money online, you can then go on right now and upgrade to premium version of CapCut. And I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to start reviewing this website and be able to earn money with it even from day one of you joining YouTube. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is to go on right now to YouTube Studio and create account on YouTube. If you are finding it difficult to create your account on YouTube, you can tell me in the comment section of this video. And before we continue, you can help me to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's go on. Okay, the next thing you need to do after getting all these tools is to go on right now and look for the app or website which you want to review on Play Store. Make sure you are reviewing a legit website. Avoid reviewing any scam platform or any scam website or application. Okay, all you just need to do, if you come to, let's say you want to review Trust Wallet website. Okay, Trust Wallet app, Trust Wallet app. This is the application right now. You just need to show them process on how to download the application, or you go on right now. Okay, let's go on right now. I already have the application right now. You just need to go on right now and show them how to get the application. After getting the application, okay, I already have Trust Wallet on my phone. Let me go on right now and search for Trust Wallet. Okay, Trust Wallet. Okay, all I just need to do is to go on right now and open the application. Why opening the application? Before I go on to open the application, I will need to turn on my screen recorder. You can see I don't need to go on right now and turn on my screen recorder, but I have already turned on the screen recorder which I'm actually using right now to actually show you this on the screen. Okay, after then, go on right now to assistive touch. This is assistive touch. Go on right now and open your assistive touch, which you can actually download on Play Store. Okay, after downloading the assistive touch is what you will be using to actually guide users on where you want to show them. You can see I'm going to show you WhatsApp now. This is WhatsApp. Okay, after that, the next thing to do is to go back right now to the application. After turning on your screen recorder and your screen recorder is actually active, you then start recording your video. Okay, this is how you are going to get started. You go on right now and on your small mic. This mic, the purpose of this particular mic is actually to make your voice to be more audible. Okay, next thing you need to do is to actually start showing them everything you need to show them on Trust Wallet. And immediately after that, if you want to review, let's say you want to review a website. Okay, let's go on right now and search for any website. Okay, let's take for instance you want to review a website. It is a website that you want to review. You just need to come right now and search for the website on Google. After making research about the website and how the website actually works, start showing them the process. Okay, turn on your mic. You can see the mic is actually on right now. All you don't need to do is to start using your assistive touch to actually showing them. Okay, if you after your introduction, show them how to get started. You click on the website and start introducing the website. For instance, let's get started right now. All you don't need to do is to, you can see Asera is actually a popular ad network. Okay, you don't need to start earning on Asera. Click on start earning. Okay, once you click on start earning, you'll be able to sign up on this particular website. But if you already have account on this particular website, it will automatically sign you in. You can see it will automatically, because I already have account on this particular website, it automatically sign me in. But as if you are introducing this website to users, you will need to show them step-by-step process on how to register on this website and things they need to know about this particular website. If the website is a scam or if it is legit, you actually need to actually let them know. If you notice that if it is a website whereby they will be able to make any financial decisions, you need to make sure that you actually include disclaimer to show them that it is not a financial advice, okay, so that to avoid going against YouTube policy. Okay, the next thing to do is to actually start guiding them on how the website actually works. If you click on this section right now, okay, you start showing them how the website actually works. For instance, if you come to this section right now and click on this particular dollar sign right now, you can see this is where I click right now, and click on this particular section. Scroll up right now and click on this section right now. You'll be able to choose the method which you want to use on this particular section right now. And if you go on right now and click on the upper section right now of AdSera, this AdSera is actually what bloggers actually use to actually earn money online. You can see the way I'm introducing this website right now. To actually start earning with AdSera, all you just need to do is to go on right now to this particular section right now. You can see, after adding your domain, choose your payment method. You can either use PayPal. After introducing this website, you can go on to introduce any other website which you want to introduce, or application. There are a lot of applications which you can easily introduce people to. For instance, this is actually Gate application, which is a popular cryptocurrency application. You can actually go on right now to review this website, to review this application. Make sure that any application which you are actually reviewing is a trusted application, and you will see a lot of people that are actually searching for those applications, that they will be watching those applications. And you can always copy your invitation link for those that want to register for the website or application. Copy your invitation link and include in your video description. You will see people registering. For instance, you want to make a video about Bybit pay-to-pay trading, on how to trade on Bybit. You can make video on how to trade on Bybit. You can make a website review about any latest platform, or for instance, how people will be able to make money using ChatGPT. You can go on right now and show people how they'll be able to earn money. You can start reviewing different AI application, and you'll be able to earn through this particular process from day one by using your affiliate link. Always leave your affiliate link in the description of the video. And another way you can actually earn real money through this particular process is to actually create a Telegram channel, different Telegram channel. Once you create a Telegram channel, always tell people to actually join your Telegram channel, so that anytime you make a video, you will always share it to your Telegram channel, and your audience will be getting latest update through your Telegram channel. And in that, once you get up to 1,000 subscribers on Telegram, your Telegram will be monetized, and you will also be earning in turn on Telegram, which means you are creating different source of income for yourself, which is a different source of passive income for yourself. When your YouTube channel actually finally get monetized, you will be earning through YouTube, you will be earning through Telegram, and you will also be earning through affiliate commissions. Okay, and if you should check this particular guy right there, which is one of my friends right now, actually earn over 10,000 USD by reviewing website and application. One application started trending last month, which was he was able to earn over $10,000 by reviewing website and application. And one video that just blew up gave him over 10,000 USD on YouTube. You can see, and that is different from the earning which he actually earned through his referral commissions on those applications. And your CPC will actually be also high depending on your niche. You must not be on make money online niche or crypto niche. You can be on any other niche, reviewing different application. You can focus on reviewing different AI tools. The CPC and the RPM in that niche is actually very high. Also, you'll be able to also earn high income by reviewing different AI. You can start reviewing different e-commerce websites. You will see people apart from any true affiliate commission. You will see people, companies, brands messaging you also for you to be able to help them review their new application or new website, and they will pay you for reviewing those websites with just your mobile phone. You don't even need any expensive gadget. With just your mobile phone, you can easily get started today. And if you are finding it difficult to actually get started, you can tell me in the comment section of this video, and I'll be able to make more step-by-step guide on how you'll be able to get started. Or if you have any specific niche which you want to go in, you can actually tell me in the comment section of this video, so that I'll be able to make in my next video. I will make a proper guide on how you be able to get started, and I will be able to answer your question in details in that particular video. Kindly tell me what to think about this particular video in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.